Become owner of Apple, but you'll lose all friends.
Okay, now listen. Oh, if I press the button, I become the owner of Apple and I'll lose all friends. But I can make new friends though. So, yeah, for me, I'm gonna press the button.
Your IQ, but you become 2 times less attractive.
I'm not gonna press the button. For me, that's a deal breaker, and I'm not fucking pressing that button. So no.
Ultra fast Wi-Fi, but you can use it for 3 hours a day.
No, I'm not gonna press the button. For me, I'm not pressing that. Even if it's for 3 hours, I'm not gonna fucking press the button.